इस वक्त टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ग्रुप के एमडी और बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर विनीत जैन बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी के तीसरे कॉन्वोकेशन को संबोधित कर रहे हैं। आपको सीधे पहले वहीं ले चलते हैं।
Will encourage and incentivize private educational institutions which have made serious investments in faculty, infrastructure, and students to be a part in nation building. Our ability to seamlessly move to a technology-enabled teaching and learning platform and ensure student success in internships, placements, and higher studies, even amid lockdowns and other restrictions, is a testament to the ability of Bennett University to stand along the best of institutions in India and contribute to nation building and youth empowerment. Private institutions in India will continue to play a vital role, and I'm proud to say that Bennett University will strive to lead from the front. Bennett University will leverage technology and its various resources to reach a larger section of society with the aim of inclusiveness and access to high-quality education and support the core values espoused in the National Education Policy 2020. It is a privilege and pleasure to felicitate two stalwarts, Dr. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw with a degree of Doctor of Philosophy, honoris causa in biotechnology, and Shri Suresh Narayanan with a degree of Doctor of Philosophy, honoris causa in management for outstanding achievements in their respective.
तो ये बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी के कॉन्वोकेशन प्रोग्राम को सीधा विनीत जैन संबोधित कर रहे हैं। वहां की सीधी तस्वीरें आपको दिखा रहे हैं। इस कार्यक्रम में केंद्रीय मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान सहित अलग अलग फील्ड की कई जानी मानी हस्तियां भी शिरकत कर रही हैं। वहां की तस्वीरें आपको लगातार दिखाएंगे और बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी के इस कॉन्वोकेशन प्रोग्राम की तमाम चीजें भी आपको बताएंगे। इस वक्त टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ग्रुप के एमडी और बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर विनीत जैन बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी के तीसरे कॉन्वोकेशन को इस वक्त संबोधित कर रहे हैं, जिसकी पहली तस्वीर हम आपको दिखा देगा। फिर से रुक करते हैं।
The world. This year, over 400 students will graduate from Bennett University. The second undergraduate batches of engineering, management, and journalism will be graduating this year. Also, the fourth batch of our MBA program will graduate from BU. On the post-graduation front, the second PhD degree of the university will be awarded in the School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. My heartiest congratulations to all our graduating students. Your hard work and determination have made you worthy of the degree. And I look forward to seeing each and every one of you succeed in the field of your choice. We cannot but acknowledge the environment under which we have achieved so much. This entire academic year was under the cloud of COVID-19. And a successful transition to online operations is a testament to the resilience of the entire BU fraternity. These unprecedented times have only reaffirmed the old saying that the only constant is change. There is no substitute for hard work. So work hard, even as you soak in the joys of being young. Dream big. Don't be afraid to experiment. And don't be disheartened by failure. But be self-aware. Learn from your mistakes and move on. I would be failing in my duty if I did not commend the faculty and university staff for their dedication and commitment. I'm confident that under their care and guidance, BU will continue to gain in repute and stature. I would like to congratulate and thank the parents of the graduating students for reposing their trust in BU when the university was still in its foundational stages. My best wishes to the graduating students and the entire BU fraternity in all their future endeavors. Stay safe stay healthy, be happy. Thank you.
May I now request the
तो ये बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर विनीत जैन को आपने सुना, जो कि तीसरे कॉन्वोकेशन में से लोगों को संबोधित कर रहे थे, बच्चों को संबोधित करते